Hi, I'm Elizabeth Katona, and this is going to be my second video for the pretend play/play assignment. So my video, it was a YouTube video, again, by Dr. Jasmine, or the mom psychologist, and I definitely think that it was very good, and it definitely aligned with a lot of the stuff we've learned in class, but I would like to expand on it a bit. So when Dr. Jasmine talks about how to play, she's emphasizing on the how to play, how to do this, and how to stay focused. I'm going to dive a bit deeper on why, on like the why this type of play affects the brain and how. So if we look back at step 4, which is noticing like what your child is doing with the toys, seeing and hearing, it kind of goes into like mindfulness, and it kind of that reflects the serve and return interaction model, which is developed by the Center on the Developing Child at Harvard University. So what Dr. Jasmine is calling being present is also known as joint attention. And steps 4 and steps 5 are ways to achieve that joint attention. So again, to remind you, steps 4 and 5 are notice what your child is doing with the toys, and then making comments on what you observe. So the Society for Research in Child Development study explains that human children are uniquely sensitive to like certain social cues, especially in play. And I have this study linked down in my submission. And in this study, it shows that when a parent and a child focuses on the same toy, for example, in the study, it's a bunny, they're creating a shared mental space. And this is not only just nice to have, it's actually biologically constructive. And so everyday socialization in childhood is going to prime this child's attention. When, for example, like when a parent uses social relation talk, they're actually directing the child's neural resources, and in that kind of constructing their biological, like cognitive development. And so while Dr. Jasmine focuses on the how of being present, the research from the Society for Research in Child Development, specifically Senzaki and Shimizu in 2022, shows more of the impact on this. So while we engage in joint attention, we do more than just playing. We're actually priming the child's cognitive development. And that study found that parental sportscasting actually changes a child's visual attention patterns. So while we are narrating this play, by us or by the adult narrating this child's play, it helps wire the child's brain to perceive social connections, as well as environmental context, which helps shape their future learning processes through these narrations. And that is just a little bit of expansion on kind of why these steps are put in place for an adult to, number one, focus on playing with their child, but also how to make their presence with their child in play useful and enriching. So, yeah.